Hello, greetings to my dear students. Today we are going to see one very interesting problem, my dear students, from JEE Mains 2024, and it is an interesting integration problem, my dear students. Come, my dear students, let's crack this problem into two pieces. Okay. So first thing I always used to say, my dear students, whenever you are going to solve the problem, be a lazy person, sit back yourself, relax and chill yourself, my dear students. Now integration they have given in this format, my dear students, we have to find the integration. So first thing what I am going to do is, there are plenty of formulas for sine square x, my dear students, but I want the formula which is going to be very relevant for this problem. It have to make this problem into simple, my dear students, that's all. So the sine square x formula is what I am going to take is, which is going to relate with this cot x, my dear students. Come, my dear students, let me show you. Integration 6 cosecant square x dx divided by 1 minus cot x, my dear students. Have you understood, my dear students? Here I have taken the sine square x reciprocal function, my dear students, which is 6 cosecant square x. This is how it have become, my dear students. Now what we can do further, we can't simplify with any trigonometric identities, my dear students. Now I am going to do with the integration substitution method, my dear students. Now I am going into the integration. So the substitution method, first thing I am going to take is 1 minus cot x is equals to t, my dear students. This is let. I am assuming it. You can, in place of here t, you can take anything, my dear students, a, b, c, d, whatever you want you can take. Just I have taken as t, my dear students. Now I have to differentiate this term, my dear students. If I do differentiation, what value I'll get, my dear students? For minus cot x, if I do differentiation for 1, it's 0. For cot x, it's minus cosecant square x. Already minus is over there. So cosecant square x dx is equals to dt, my dear students. Now what we have to do? We have to substitute everything here, my dear students. Then we can crack it very easily, my dear students. So integration 6 cosecant square x dx, my dear students. So in place of cosecant square x dx, I can replace with dt divided by 1 minus cot x. I can replace with t, my dear students. So I got it t square. Now I can remove this 6 outside, my dear students. So 1 by t square dt. So this is very easy thing, my dear students. You can, by seeing itself, you can say the answer. Standard integration formula only. Just for you, I'll solve it, my dear students. T power minus 2, if I bring it up, it will become t power minus 2, my dear students. So integration of t power minus 2 dt. Now, my dear students, now we have to do x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So t power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1, my dear students, plus c. Don't forget this plus c, my dear students. Now is equals to 6 t power minus 2 plus 1 minus t power minus 1 divided by minus 1, my dear students. So here the answer is minus 6 divided by t plus c. So the final answer is minus 6 divided by what I have taken for t, my dear students, 1 minus cot x plus c, my dear students. So this is the final answer. I hope you understood it, my dear students. If you have any kind of doubt, please ask me in the comment section, my dear students. That's what they also have given us the answer. I hope you find this video as useful. If so, please comment it down, my dear students. If you like it, please hit the like button. Thank you. Bye bye, my dear students.